this is Mystic C from Magic Winds Tarot, and this is who is coming next in love for you for Earth signs Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or you know a Earth sign, this reading is for you. Do subscribe Magic Winds Tarot, like and share, friends. Also join us on Instagram as Magic Winds Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwindstarot.com. This is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is a timeless reading. Whenever you will come across this reading, it will help you out. You can also cross watch it for someone, and we will also look at initials so that we can know more details about who is the person coming towards you in love. Let's see, friends, for Earth signs. First, let's see how you are feeling, Earth signs. You can check more Hindi or Urdu versions of the readings on my other channel, Magic Winds Tarot Hindi Urdu, friends. Check there. So let's see, for those who chose option, oh wow, see, I'm doing a pick a card again. I do so many pick a cards that I'm always on that mode. So how are you feeling, Earth signs? Let's see that. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. How are Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus feeling currently? No, your cards don't want to come out. Okay, here, oh my god, 10 of Swords in reverse. Oops, you're not over something. Knight of Cups, love. How are Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus feeling? You're missing someone, I feel. Angels, switch cards, please. Can you? Oh my god, you're dealing with an ending. Good lord. Whew, that's tough energy. Why, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus? Okay, you're fighting. I think you're fighting something, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I see there is an internal conflict going on within your heart and your mind. You're fighting something. Maybe you are fighting love. Maybe you're fighting within you. Your heart and your mind is saying two different things. Also, I feel there is an ending that has happened in your life, or something needs to shift in your life, but you are resisting it. Something needs to change either within you, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or in your love life. It needs to shift, like you need to connect with your emotions, or you need to move forward from some past situation, but you are resisting it. And it's creating conflict, it's creating pain. I don't know why you are here, this 10 of Swords in reversed. You are in this painful situation, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Something is hurting you. You feel burdened. You feel sad, unhappy, left out. But you can, you don't need to. You know, you just can. You can end the situation and make some changes, but I don't know why you are not yet ready, but you are very close. Knight of Cups. I do feel something from your past is affecting you deeply, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Maybe a relationship has ended, or something needs to shift in that relationship, but you are resisting it, or your person is resisting it. It could be with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. I feel you are also resisting love to come into your life because you feel you are not ready. You have so many things going on. You are relocating, you are changing your job, you are changing your college or your city, you are, in between things, and you are like, where is my time for love? I don't have time for love. I'm just tired. I'm just spent. Whew, that was intense. My God, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Let's see. Let me see who is coming towards you. Angels, let me just take a clarifier. What are they resisting? Why the 10 of Swords in reverse? Please clarify. Yeah, you have a choice to leave this situation or to be in love, to focus on your career. I think you have a choice. You have a decision, you have a choice, but you are not making it. You can choose love, or you can choose your career, or you can choose to move out of a bad situation, but you are not choosing it. You are still resisting it. Who is coming towards Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus? Let's see. Who is coming towards Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus in love? Who is coming towards Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus in love? Wow, Page of Pentacles, your own energy. Three of Swords, you are hurt, my God. Hanged Man, some situation is stuck. Who is coming towards Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus? Five of Swords, the Moon, the Three of Pentacles. Lots of confusion going on. And the Devil, good Lord. I hope you can see the cards. It's better now. Oh dear God. Five of Swords, the Moon, the Three of Pentacles, the Devil, the Nine of Cups, the Six of Pentacles. Good Lord. Who is this person, angels? Who is this person who is coming towards Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus? This is your twin flame, friends. Yeah, this is your twin flame. This person could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, or this person could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, or they could be your sun sign also, because you have this energy, but I feel this is your card. This person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or someone very attractive, someone very beautiful, someone very passionate, very bold. Who I feel someone has hurted you. You are going through a third party situation or some heartache. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, and this situation is stuck. It's not moving anywhere. From ages you feel stuck on this person from your past. Neither it is the situation is moving anywhere, it is stuck, neither it is getting better. You have turned your back on this situation, you are trying to focus on work, but still you keep thinking about them, you still feel attached to them, you still feel attracted to this person. This situation is driving you nuts. Even it's driving me nuts, because trust me, I have seen these cards many times in your September reading, in your August reading. Frustrating, I know that. But I think you need to have a different perspective on this situation now, or someone who has hurt you is going to have a new perspective about you or this situation. I do feel they are watching and keeping an eye on you. They are watching your social media, keeping an eye on your moves, what you are doing. This person and you are very strongly telepathically connected. They can feel your emotions, you can feel their emotions. This is a very strong twin flame connection. I also feel this person wants to come back because they want to work things out with you. They want to make this a relationship. They want to sit and talk with you. I also feel they really miss you. They miss the happy times spent with you. They also feel very addicted to your energy. There's this sexual chemistry between you and this person from your past or someone you are dating currently. It is insane. The sexual chemistry is intense. They want you. They want you. They yearn for you. They lust for you. They love you. Holy God. And yes, this person, they want to give you everything they have now. Earlier they were like, should I, shouldn't I, but now they are ready to give you all their love. They want to give you this ultimate 10 of Pentacles, not just 6, not just 5, but all their money, all their love, all their affection, all their lust. They want to shower you with it. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. This person just can't resist your charm. The more you run away from them, the more they run towards you. The more you try to, keep things, focus on your work, the more this person is interested in you. They are craving for you. This person is going to come into your life, and this is someone who has hurted you. Trust me. They just can't forget you. They just can't move on from you. who is coming, and you both feel so connected with each other. I don't know what's going on. They're going to be a shift in this connection, trust me. What's going on? Who is coming for Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus? Yeah, the Tower. See, they are going to come back. They are going to come back. I think you are going to meet them quite by chance again. Maybe in supermarket, maybe in some another group or something. You are going to, come face to face suddenly, and that's going to make this relationship better. I do see both of you meeting face to face, sitting and making this connection better. I feel this person is from UK, USA, Canada, Finland, I don't know, different city, country. They live near water, or you live near water. You both live near water. I feel South Wales also I'm getting. See, I told you, friends, this person and you are head over heels in love. This Two of Cups is coming. Oh my god. It takes two to tango, right? And here you are, both of you together. You have to be in a relationship, trust me. No matter how sexy, no matter how sassy, no matter how confusing, no matter how twisted this tale is, but it's your fairy tale, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. And it's going to get better. Congratulations. I'm so happy because you deserve it. I have seen such... look at here. This is not over yet. And this is going to get better, in fact. And if you are really, really single... I don't see you are actually single. You do have this person around you. Maybe this is your friend or someone you are on and off with, or maybe they are your neighbor or someone you study with or work with. Oof, that was intense. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I'm sweating all. Such intense energy. Your person is very strong. Very, very strong. Let me just take some advice for you. For Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, advice. Healing begins. See, yes, your heart is going to heal. You are going to heal this connection. Everything is going to get better for you, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, throat chakra. You need to talk to them. You both need to heal your throat chakra. There is so much you both need to say. I think Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, you need to say something to this person. They need to say something to you. There is so much love that has not been expressed or expressed wrongly in this connection. It needs to... And look at this, 6 and 5. Both are like going from 5 to 6. Next step. Advice. Oh, moving on. Yes. Things will get better for you. This will be a well-deserved reward for you. Yes, things will get better. You will rise out of this heartache, this pain, and things will get better. You will get a well-deserved reward for your patience, your wait, your efforts. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, don't give up. Trust me, better things are coming. Let's see your love advice. Ooh, my God, that just flipped out. Crazy energies. Phew, reconciliation. Do you have any more doubts? You are still free, friends. If you don't want that person and want someone else, you're still free. Don't worry about it. This is only the current energy I'm saying. Reconciliation. Someone from your past is returning to your life. Yes, friends. I keep getting that song. All of me loves all of you. Oh my God, it's by John Legend. Yes, you guys love each other so much. I don't know why this confusion is going on. What's going on? I don't know why. As a tarot reader or as a medium, sometimes I feel so helpless here when I see two people in love, but they are this poles apart and I don't know what can I do. Look at this. Thank God you guys are reconciling. Hope that's the good news for you. It's safe for you to love. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of love. Yes, all of you loves all of me. Ooh, that was some reading. Let's just pull your charms now. Let's see what initials Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Okay, let's see. Lots of vowels you are getting. R, E, I, O, A, N, I, again an R, I, A, B, R. Wow, lots of R actually for you. There are 3 R's. There is a T, there is a B, there is an A, there is also L, there is an X. Yes, someone from your past is coming. U, there is D, there is T, T for Tina, V, A. Let's see if I can make some words. I see tear. Yeah, something is tearing your heart. Look at this. Tear. Something is hurting you. Something is making you sad. Tears. You are crying. You both are crying, friends. Someone is crying over you. You are also crying. Maybe the name is Ban, you know, Ben, Ban, AB, Annie, maybe the name is Annie, or maybe the name is Rani, Tanny, Banny, Danny, because there is D here, Danny, Lanny, those could be the names. Rani is also like the queen or the king, so definitely someone wants to treat you like a king or a queen. What else? Air. Yes, this person is like your, you know, they need you to live. Air, you both need each other to live. Air is like that. Oxygen is necessary for us to live, survive. Bet. Yeah, I think they are betting with someone. Like, yes, you are, you know, they are going to, you are betting with someone like, yes, this person is going to fall for me or come back for me. You are betting, or there is a bet how long you can stay apart from each other. You tell me if you can see any more words from here, because I cannot see more words. Rant. Yeah, they want to talk to you. They want to tell you how much they are missing you and all those things, you know. I also see beer. They want to beer hug you, you know, give you a beer hug. So there is air, beer. Oops. Rant. So here are the words. I hope you can see them. So those are your words, friends. That's it for now. Do subscribe Magic Vens Tarot, like and share. Let me know if this reading resonated. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvenstarot.com and join us on our website. This is Mystic C saying bye for now.